farming success. With the long green line, you'll find you're working much less. With the long green line, every day will be sunny. You'll make more money with the long green line by John Deere.
Hello everybody, this is going to be a 2024 Green Tag John Deere catalog review. So here we got the riding lawn equipment. Starting off at the lowest priced one would be the S220 with 42-inch deck at $4,365. And then the most expensive one would be the X738 with a 54-inch deck for $23,322. You know, someday in the next 65 years, a kid is going to be looking at this book and going, wow, $23,000 lawnmower? That is pretty cheap for what they are going for now. They're going for about $100,000 these days in the 2080s. Yep. If they were still selling these things today, Daddy could buy 10 of them with pocket money. I could buy one easily just with my 2-day salary. Now we're moving on to compact utility tractors. So at the cheapest, we have the 1023E with 120E loader, 23 horsepower, 3-cylinder diesel engine, MFWD, I forget what that stands for. It's like 4-wheel drive something though. Hydrostatic transmission, front-end loader, 6-year powertrain warranty. Going for $22,995 or $394 per month. And then the most expensive one is the 4044R with 440R loader, 44 horsepower, 4-cylinder diesel engine, MFWD hydro transmission, I don't know what that means. Standard cab, deluxe seat, front end loader, 6-year warranty, powertrain warranty, going at $75,995. And then here's some utility attachments. We got the 48-inch wide tiller going for $3,995. Limited quantities available. And then a 49-inch rotary tiller going for $3,995. And then the 54-inch drive-over mower deck. Those are pretty cool, but they're so expensive. Going for $3,295. And then a 60-inch grooming mower, which is going for $4,495. Well, now we're going on to utility tractors and attachments. For the cheapest, we've got the 5050E with 520M loader, 50 horsepower, 3-cylinder diesel engine, MFWD 9F/3R transmission, 9 forward and 3 reverse transmission, dual mid SCV, signal mechanical rear SCV. I don't even know. I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah, I don't know what that is. Open operator station front end loader, going for $55,995. And then the most expensive one is the 5105M with 540M loader, 105 horsepower, 4-cylinder diesel engine, MFWD, 32 forward speeds, or 32 forward speeds, 16 reverse speeds, PRT transmission, I don't know what that means, premium cab, 3 stackable mid, 3 stackable rear SCV, electrical hitch controls, full LED package, that's pretty nice, cold weather package, perfect for where I live, and then a front end loader, going for $138,995. not perfect. Oh, and then looks like John Deere tried so hard to make it authentic, and they put a new tractor in what looks to be an old barn door. That looks so bad, man. It should be like a 40-20 or something. I'm not even a Deere guy. Moving on to the utility attachments. 42-inch box blade at $1,295. Post hole digger at $1,857. 36-inch auger, note that. And then a set of pallet forks, $1,295. And then a pull-type spreader, which is $1,343. All right, moving on to gators. So we've got the cheapest one is the XUV 560E, 16 horsepower. Yeah, it's a two-person, 45 kilometers an hour. Pretty nice. 1,500 pounds. That's more than a pickup truck. It's pretty awful, if you ask me. Pickup trucks need to pick up their gain. Going for $15,995. The most expensive one is the XUV 835M, 54 horsepower, 3-person, 4,000 pound towing capacity. Yeah, it's 72 kilometers, going for $26,995. Alright, people, we have some issues to point out here. First is this. I just need to flip over my book here. Give me a second. Oh, frick, where is it? Forgive me, people, forgive me. Alright. The issue we need to point out here is a $359 plastic wagon. It should be going for $50. You could have bought a little wagon, a little metal wagon, back in the day, for like probably $25. Probably less, probably like $18. That's a disgrace. And the next issue we have, just let me flip my book, are the tillers. Alright, and these push mowers. There's one that's a push mower going for $929. And then the exact same push mower with a different colored grass bag going for $1,429. I swear, the only difference is the color of the grass bag. Now, there's a mini tiller, 9-inch working width, $689. And then below that, there's a mid-tine tiller, same thing, little bit wider of a working width, $1,000. It has, the only difference is that it has a wider working width with a coulter wheel on the front of it. And it's going for $1,779. That's awful. I hate to ask, but like the video if you want to start a petition against these crazy lawnmower prices. Push mower prices. More like a push mower crisis.
You'll be a farming success. With the long green line, you'll find you're working much less. With the long green line, every day will be sunny. You'll make more money with the long green line by John Deere.